studio. Today, first we will do that we will assign all our rolling dice to all our player pieces. To do that, what we are going to do, we will drag and drop in blue player home this dice and go to in our prefab folder. Let's change in prefab folder this thing also. Open prefab folder and then select rolling dice animation and uncheck it from here and save it, and then let's drag and drop into all our homes and let's change its name to blue rolling dice. Let it be red rolling dice, green and yellow, and also send them to the location for red. Green and yellow. And one more thing, arrange your path points, these ones, according to your position, up or down as per the player piece size so that it can be fit and can seen further. Let me show you once again. Uh, let's see it out. Let's see. From here, it should be like it's perfectly moving. So place them according to your size as you want. And now let's move forward. Let's do one more thing. Create an empty game object, reset its position, name it Ludo Home, and drag all our homes in it. We will create one more game object, game manager, to manage everything in the game. Game manager, and we will create a script for it also. Name it game manager. Go to mono behavior script, name it game manager. Now what we will do, we will try to move player pieces through our game manager script. What we will do, first we will create public static game manager instance, and we will do it in a wake function. Instance equals to this, and we will create one more variable, public int number of steps to move. What we will do, first we are first the steps are according to here, according to 4, because we have print here number of steps to move equals to 4. Now we will try to do with our rolling dice, which the number on rolling dice will come, and then particular steps it will move. To do that, we had created a script general manager, and in it we had done number of steps to move, and we will go to a rolling dice, and in here what we will do, gen game manager dot instance dot, this is the mm, this is another thing in C sharp. We can we can call this object or variable or function using public static game manager instance, in which we can call from here, we can pick any function from here to any other script, like I am doing here. Game manager dot instance dot number of steps to move, which will be equal to number got. The number got is here, which is we are getting as the dice rolls. And now this number of steps to move will be equal to, let's come to player piece, this will be equal to these number of steps to move. So instead of 4, we will copy paste it. Let's try if it gets true. Let me attach the script to our game manager. And now let's check it out. Here are two, here is two. And when we will go to our rolling dice, uh, Ludo home, blue player home, number got equals to 2. This is equals to this. So we can move the pair piece 2 steps. Now it's going to 2 only again and again. Similarly for red player piece also it's going to, because it can't get right now which player piece has been moved or which we want to move. We will also see that. Now let's go on game manager and add one more thing, public rolling dice, rolling dice, and here we will do game manager dot instance dot rolling dice equals to this. Let's check it out if it works. See, it has print the name which rolling dice it is. So here it comes, blue rolling dice, rolling dice. And now rolling dice. What we can do is, what if we print here number of steps to move? Let's do from here equals to 0. After playing all this, now I can't move any player piece. How about let's try it over here? The same thing. This we need to see how we can do it, because here when piece is only out when it's equals to 6. This is wrong, so we will going to remove this, and let's see how we can do it. We need to make player ready to move only when number of dice equals to 6 is there. Now what we will do, we will create one more folder and name it home, and create here few scripts more. Name it Ludo home. Here name it blue home. Red home. Green home. This is happening again and again because of the compiling of script. And yellow home. Now what we will do, we will open all the scripts. Let's delete some few scripts over here. Ludo home, blue home, green home, red home, and yellow home. What we will do in Ludo home, we will call our player pieces and rolling dice over here, public player piece. It will be array player piece and public rolling dice, rolling dice, and we will inherit it from Ludo home to our blue home, and similarly to rest as we have done in player piece also. And save the scripts. And one more important thing, that when we ever here we will do testing over here by playing. Let me show you. When whatever we do by playing, here changes will be not made. Like if I create an empty game object over here and the game is getting played, so whenever I stop it, it will be get destroyed. So you need to make your changes only in out of play mode, or otherwise everything will be get destroyed. So let's attach all the scripts, blue home script to blue player home, red home to red player home, green to green, and yellow to yellow. And what we will do, we will drag all our pieces and dice to it. So if this error comes like it's coming in, rolling dice is here and nothing add components over here. So what I'm going to do is go to blue rolling dice and I will do in override and apply all. So now same things which are happening to blue rolling dice, it's over all the other dices. Now I can drag drop. First I can't do it. Now can I simply drag and drop it because it's not getting the rolling dice. And now we will go to our blue players pieces, and here let's move some of the scripts over here. And now what we will do is we will call the rolling dice over here, which is blue rolling dice. How we can do that? We will name it rolling dice, blue rolling dice, and in start we'll do blue rolling dice, which is equal to get component in parent, blue home, and dot rolling dice. What this means is this is the blue rolling dice. It is in the blue player home. The script is blue home. Let me check it. What if I do here blue player home? It will give error. So we will drag and drop. We will basically this, it's in parent of it. This is the parent and this is the child object. So we are calling it through our parent. This is another thing or property here. Get component in parent, which means this is the parent component and this is under it. So we are calling like this. And what we will do is if game manager dot instance dot rolling dice is not equal to null, then we will move this over here. And one more thing we will going to do, if here we will check one more condition. If game manager dot instance dot rolling dice equals to blue rolling dice, and this means that it will only call with this blue rolling dice, and game manager dot instance dot number of steps to move equals to 6, then we will call this. Here it's also checking that number of steps to move is equals to 6. If these are equals to 6, then only it will come out, or otherwise it will won't come out. So let's check it out. let's go to the game manager and let's click over here. First time only 6 comes. So I've called the player out and now it's come true. So, oops, there has been an error. Let me check. I have done some error over it. Mhm. Let's try to add here one more condition. If game manager dot instance dot rolling dice equals to blue rolling dice and is ready, and then we will move player. Now let's see if it works. Now these are not coming out. You can see these are not coming out. So the error was done here, that I need to check it also. So 6 has been come out and 1 5. So let's do one more thing over here. After doing this, what we will do, game manager dot instance dot number of steps to move. Here we will do equals to 0, and 5 5 5 3 5 6. So now these have been 0, so I don't think the player should come out. So it's not coming out and it's not moving also. Again 6, so again out and moving 5 steps. I can't move because here is 0. Move forward. So I think it's little bit working fine. And now we will do it for rest of the scripts also. So open it, red player piece, green player piece, yellow player piece. What I will do is I will I will do quick click, modify. Here for blue I will do green. Here I will do red. Let me copy paste other things also. If you're doing like me, that copy paste thing, so do it correctly. So let's try it out. Let's go to game manager. If I've rolled the rice, let's roll red dice. 3. These also not coming out. 6. Here 6 has come. So the blue piece is not coming out, which is correct. Nor green. Only red player piece will be out. And 1. 6 again. Player piece is out. I can't make another piece out or either move the player piece. I need to roll again, so I rolled again. It's 5. Now I'm moving 5 steps, or I can't move forward, so I need to roll it again. So I think it's working fine. These is some errors which we will see. Now what we will do, we will create one more variable over in game manager script, which we will name it public bool can player move, and what we will do is, let's do equals to true first. And now what we will do is we will call this function over here. Let's check it over here. And can game manager dot instance dot can player move, and similarly we will do with here. And what we will do, go in our player piece. After all of this we will do one more thing in here. Game manager, in blue player script we will do this equals to false, and we will copy paste it. Go to our PlayerPiece script. After all of this we will again do it equals to true. So let's check it out if it works. Let me minimize screen. Six has come. Here can move. Mm, game manager can player move equals to true. I saved it. What's happening then? Let's check it over here. I have saved. Let me try once more. Let's check it over here and save the. So let's wait for 6. I missed the 6. What we will do is we will put here 6 and it's out, and we will roll again. 2, 5. See, it gets stop here and move to 5 steps, and again it's true. 6 has come. Let's go roll dice again. Let's see. I can't move the other piece. I can only move now one piece only. So it's true. I can't move this piece also out. So I think it's working fine. Now let me stop and save it. What we can do is we can, if I add over here in start function and uncheck it over there. Let me first uncheck it, save it, and try it. Now it's getting true because I have called it in start function. So that's why it's happening. We can do other in any other ways, this also, or in script also. So now we will, what we will do is we will modify to all the other scripts. and save the scripts. So one more thing, let's go to in PlayerPiece script, do a thing which we have done in rolling dice, coroutine generate number. We can do it over PlayerPiece also. Coroutine on player movement, and here it will be done like this, and if player movement is not equal to null, then we will do stop quarantine and move steps. How this is called rolling dice. Why it's not getting called? Oops, I did something wrong. Mm, So I think it's better from the first part. We are getting more better and improving. So, but we have to see the more stuff here. So we will continue in our next lecture.